Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I'm so excited to open this up. It actually came in the mail yesterday and I was out of town for a stamp event and one of my fellow pumpkiners actually texted me and said she absolutely loved the kit and it was so cool, and so now I'm even more excited to open it up, so I can't wait. Of course this box is just absolutely stunning. Isn't that cool with the spider webs all over it? I mean, I don't like spiders or spider webs. They're kind of creepy, but I still think it's super fun and cute. Of course, the kit is the Frights and Delights, which is kind of fun. I'm assuming maybe there's treat bags in there for the delight part, and then the spooky Halloween part is the Frights part. So this is the September 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit by Stampin' Up. So let's open it up. Ooh, it's got black tissue paper too. So this just talks about the new fun little picker-upper tool that is super handy to be able to use on different projects. I don't think it's actually in here, is it? No, it's just talking about the take your pick tool. So that tool is super fun and handy to be able to add, like pick up little rhinestones or jewels and stuff to add to your project. It just makes it so much handier and easier to be able to do that, and also like to hold things in place and stuff like that. So it's super fun. Stay tuned as I will be doing a full reveal of this product on this channel as a video all in itself. So stay tuned for that. Basic Gray is our ink pad this month, and then here are our stamps, and I look at like those super solid greetings that are like real wide, like almost like a crayon look or something like that, but I super love those. So it says spooky, boo, and eek. And then there's also some bats, some spiders, some little stars, a moon, a pumpkin, and then there's also greetings like Frights and Delights, It's Halloween, To and From, and Treats for You. So yeah, I'm pretty sure there's treat bags in here, so how fun is that? Again, I'm not a huge Halloween fan, so I always love that Paper Pumpkin takes care of all of my Halloween needs by having everything that I need to do like a few little gift bags for all my nieces and nephews. So I love that Paper Pumpkin takes care of that for me for just $19.95. So that's super cheap rather than buying, you know, a full stamp set and a full, you know, the whole 9 yards of all Halloween stuff that I don't really care to use because I'm not a Halloween fan. But look at these little treat bags. They have like little spiders all over. Okay, I don't know why I'm so excited about these spiders because I absolutely hate spiders. And yes, I've been known to call my husband at work and say, you need to come home, there's a spider on the wall. Definitely, I've done that often. I can't say that that was a one-time happening. It almost happens weekly. Maybe? No, it really doesn't happen weekly, but yeah, whenever there's a little spider on the wall, I can't stand it. I feel like he's coming after me. So this is black and silver baker's twine, so really pretty. And then this little baggie has, ooh, there's two different kinds of treat bags, and there's like a million in here. Like, oh, there's a whole bunch. Okay, so this one is like orange and white stripes. There, nope, you still can't see it very well. Orange and white stripes, there you go. This one has the little spiders on it that maybe you can't see. And then this one is actually spider webs. Super cute. And like I said, there's like 1,000,001 of these. Like, I mean, I'd say at least 20. We'll have to see. Stampin' Dimensionals, and then of course glue dots. There's always 1,000,001 of those things in these kits. Super love that. Let's see. This says that there are 24. That is insane! 24 treat bags! So of course, here's the instructions. There's the samples, which a lot of times I tend to just look at the picture. And then all the instructions, and there's also that little ruler on the bottom so that you can cut your ribbon. Super handy. Cardboard. And then let's look at all of these pieces. There's also like little white cards in this baggie too. And then there's like these. These are purple, and they're actually like little like fold over tags. So when you punch them out, there's actually like a little crease there to fold over, and then you have that fun little tag piece there. So that's super cute. But they've already got the score line. So it looks like there's 2 sheets of those. And then there's like this fun orange with the little like jaggedy edge there. Actually, I think this is probably the mango. And then that's gorgeous grape. And then here's another more solid tag. And it's got like that loop-de-loop on the bottom there. That's the technical term, I promise. And then these are bats. This is the same like bat image that's in the stamp set. So it's not like your typical bat. It's, I don't know, it looks a little bit more Batman-ish. And then, oh, these little ghosts are cute. Aren't those adorable? And like the eyes are peek through. So like, you know, you can put like colored paper behind it and his eyes will peek through. And pumpkins. And these are also like popped out. And you don't actually have to pop out all those little pieces. They're already popped out for you. Bonus! And then silver. So I think this goes with the pumpkin. How cool is that? So it's got this like silver like shine. And then I'm not sure what, these might be for the eyes of the ghosts. The little silver circles for the ghost eyes. And then this says boo. So it's a whole sheet of boo silver letter. And then, ooh, this says eek in purple. Oh, I just love purple. And then this says spooky. I actually have made a couple Halloween cards with the designer series paper. That is the one thing I did buy, was the designer series paper from the holiday mini catalog called Toil and Trouble. And it has a lot of purple and orange, and I'm actually loving it because it's not as like spooky and creepy, and it's not as traditional as just orange and black. So yeah, I'm loving the purple. So super, super fun. I like that there's a little bit of bling in there. I like that there's the purple. I like that there's 1,000,001 treat bags. Like 24 is a lot. That is super, super fabulous. And the pattern bags are just so cute. So I can't wait to assemble those. Of course, I am always striving for Auntie of the Year. So all of my nieces and nephews will get little treat bags for Halloween. And then of course, I don't know, I might have a few for a couple other events because I definitely don't have 24 nieces and nephews. So maybe some of my stampers will get it, or somebody else. So I'm super excited about this. Be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, so that you can see this completed kit once I'm finished with it. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday and when Paper Pumpkin arrives. And then also, I will leave a link down below so that you can sign up for your Paper Pumpkin kit. It is super, super fabulous. Every kit comes with stamps, ink, and then all the supplies. And then of course your first kit also comes with a clear block. So if anything, it's totally worth the 20 bucks for the stamps and the ink and the clear block that first time, let alone all of this goodie. And even if you don't want to make treat bags, you could always use the bags for something else and then use all the tags and everything to put on cards. So many different ways that you could use all of this goodie that's in this kit. So I will leave a link down below. Make sure you sign up before November 10th. Or I'm sorry, October. I'm jumping ahead too far. October 10th to receive the October kit. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.